Welcome to the next experiment on Virtual Wireless Lab. Here we are interested in measuring the frequency characteristics of a dipole antenna. In this experiment, we are using a dipole antenna at the transmitter and a log periodic antenna at the receiver. The log periodic antenna is used at the receiver because of its relatively frequency independent characteristics. In this experiment, we sweep the signal over a predetermined range of frequencies. The start frequency and the stop frequency can be remotely set by the user. The frequency step size can also be remotely set by the user. The minimum step size is 1 MHz for this experimental setup. In this experiment, the start frequency is set at 600 MHz and the stop frequency is set at 800 MHz. The step size is set at 20 MHz. Here we have obtained the gain bandwidth plot. From this curve, we can determine whether the antenna is resonating or non-resonating type and determine the gain bandwidth product. End of experiment 2. This is a proof of concept that experiments can be triggered remotely and measurements can also be obtained remotely. This will allow students without access to expensive lab equipment or facilities to conduct experiments remotely. This will also allow different institutes to collaborate for teaching and research by sharing equipment. Most importantly, it will trigger the imagination of young students and excite them to take up science and engineering.